Hi everyone, I hope you all are keeping well. So today we are talking about community marketing. What is community marketing? It's a strategy where brands and businesses they create a community. Like gardener is taking care of the plants to have a flourishing garden. Similarly, brands and businesses they try to build a community this way by taking care of the needs and preferences of their audience. They are helping them out, they are benefiting them also, and they will have the rewards in the future. Now let's talk about how would you do this community marketing with your brand. So number one is you have to go beyond the engagement. You have to create the kind of interactive content where everybody feels inclusive, where you give that comfortable space where everyone is willing to share their views. Second tip would be to do the segmentation. You'll be having different sets of audience like gender, male, female, then based on age groups, income groups, marital status, whatever it is. So you have to cater every sort of audience. You can create content for millennials, for people who are above 50 years. So content variation is very important. Third tip is advanced networking. Within the community, you will find a lot of influencers to collab with. This way, you'll be able to increase your reach also, and you'll give a lot of opportunities to those influencers who then collab with each other to further promote your products and services. And obviously, you have to give them rewards in return. The next step is multi-channel approach. Obviously, the main goal is to build a community that you can do that by holding weekly webinars, then from social media, wherever possible, create that community and stay consistent with your efforts. Fourth would be that you would be knowing the insights of consumer behavior. It greatly helps in creating the marketing strategy. Let's suppose you're working on something, you can ask for a feedback. If that's not working out well, you can create the strategy, you can create pilot projects out of that, before launching it on a bigger scale. So it gives a lot of insights on consumer behavior, like what your audience really likes and dislikes. अगर मुझे आपको कम्युनिटी मार्केटिंग का बेस्ट एग्जांपल अगर देना होगा किसी ब्रांड का तो वो स्टारबक्स ज़रूर होगा. स्टारबक्स के आप सोशल मीडिया कैंपेन्स देखिए, जस्ट हैव अ लुक. दे आर प्रमोटिंग सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग अमंग देयर मेंबर्स. वो अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को पार्टनर्स बोलते हैं. द काइंड ऑफ टेस्ट दे हैव इन देयर म्यूजिक, डाइवर्स कल्चर, पर्सनलाइजेशन, इट्स जस्ट टू गुड. अनदर वन इज सफोरा का ब्यूटी इनसाइडर प्रोग्राम. दिस गिव्स टेलर्ड ऑफर्स, रिकमेंडेशंस, बिल्ड्स इमोशनल कनेक्शन, गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ लॉयल्टी programs. So this is another great example of a community building. How they do it, you can just have a look in detail. Now when you look at this picture, who doesn't know this person? He created that 75 days hard challenge, and I mean this is the perfect example of a personal brand. कैसे आप बिना किसी एडवर्टीजमेंट पे स्पेंड किए बिना ऑर्गेनिकली एक इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग कम्युनिटी बना लेते हैं. ही स्टार्टेड डॉक्यूमेंटिंग हिज ओन जर्नी, हिज ओन वीडियोज़. तो लोग उससे ज़्यादा बड़ा सोशल प्रूफ और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, राइट? सो इट्स अ परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पर्सनल ब्रांड. एंड सेकेंड, उन्होंने कम्युनिटी बिल्ड की, फिर लोगों ने उस चीज़ को आगे लेके गए. जो उन्होंने शुरू किया फिर वो उनकी कम्युनिटी आगे लेके गई, एंड नाउ ही इज़ गेटिंग स्पॉन्सरशिप्स. हर चीज़ ऑर्गेनिकली हुई. डव बेबी ने 2 फेस कैंपेन किया था, काफ़ी पॉपुलर हुआ था. उन्होंने 7 डेज़ चैलेंज लिया था. उसके अंदर अपनी कम्युनिटी से पूछा था कि मदर से पूछा था क्या स्किन इश्यूज़ जो हैं वो सिवियर उनके बच्चे फेस कर रहे हैं. तो दैट वाज अनदर ग्रेट एग्जांपल टू गेट द इनसाइट्स फ्रॉम रियल कॉन्वर्सेशंस. See, the members of the community, they are also getting benefited from this, and the brands are also able to promote their products and services indirectly. And lastly, I just wanted to give a word of caution. If you're using Herbalife products, please do not. These are not community building programs. These are frauds. These are MLM marketing programs. If you don't believe me, just go and have a look at these documentaries, and you will see what kind of scams they are doing. So you have to understand, okay, there's a difference. There are brands who are doing it genuinely, and there are frauds that are happening. Hope you understood the motive behind doing the community marketing. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments section. Happy to help always. Thank you so much.